Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Acura TL alternator. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Next, you'll need to remove the power steering pump and its bracket, carefully setting it aside without disconnecting the hoses. This provides crucial access to the alternator. Finally, detach the electrical connectors and the main power cable from the alternator. Now that the electrical connections are off, it's time to remove the serpentine belt. Locate the tensioner pulley and use a breaker bar or wrench to loosen it, relieving tension on the belt. Carefully slide the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley and set it aside. With the belt removed, you can now unbolt the alternator. There are usually 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it in place. Once these are out, gently maneuver the old alternator free. With the old alternator out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Reinstall the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly. Use your breaker bar to release the tensioner again, allowing you to slip the belt onto the alternator pulley. Double-check the belt's alignment. Almost done. Reattach the main power cable and all electrical connectors to the new alternator. Now, reinstall the power steering pump and its bracket, securing all bolts. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before driving, start your engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the charging voltage across your battery terminals. It should read around 13.5 to 14.5 volts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.